Alright, good evening. Today we are going to talk about AI and jobs in construction. With automation reshaping the industry, we ask, is construction resilient or are opportunities shrinking? Our panel of analysts, stakeholders and fresh graduates will break down the data. First, let's set the stage. Why does construction matter to us as professionals in the future? I hand it over to our data analyst.
Our case study is the skilled construction sector. It matters because it builds the infrastructure every discipline relies on. With over 140,000 field jobs tracked quarterly, it's a big workforce and a sector exposed to AI through automation, site operations, and project management.
Good. Now let's check the data before making any assumptions.
From part 1, the mean field jobs is 140.4 thousand with a median of 138.4 thousand. That shows a large workforce but not fully stable. Jobs created average only 0.8k per quarter with a median of 0.5k, meaning new opportunities are limited. The standard deviation for field job is 6,000, showing moderate fluctuations. For jobs created, it's 0.7k, showing inconsistency.
So the sector employs many people but isn't creating many jobs.
Exactly, and when we compare periods, the story is clearer. Pre-disruption, 2018 to 2019, field jobs averaged 149.5 thousand and jobs created is 1.91 thousand, a stable baseline. During the transition, 2020 to 2022, field jobs dropped to 136.9 thousand and jobs created collapsed to 0.46 thousand. In the recent AI era, 2023 to 2025, field jobs only partially recovered to 128,000, while jobs created stayed low at 0.44 thousand.
Numbers alone don't tell the whole story. What do supporting indicators show?
Total jobs fell from 155.6 thousand pre-disruption to 141.3 thousand in transitions and only 142.7 thousand in the AI era. So, vacancies dropped about 25%, showing reduced hiring demand. So the sector size shrinks and demand hasn't bounced back.
Alright, now let's visualize this. We'll look at three graphs: the histogram, the frequency polygon, and the line graph.
Graph 1 shows field jobs and jobs created. Notice how jobs created collapsed after 2020 and never recovered, even while field jobs stabilized slightly.
Well, for graph 2 shows that most quarter had a very low job creations clustered in the lowest class interval. Only a few quarters pre-2020 had a higher values.
And graph 3 show vacancy distribution. Hiring demand concentrated at lowest level, confirm reduced opportunities.
So, is AI the main reason behind these declines?
We need casual humanities. AI may be one of the factors, but other explanations matter too. For example, the pandemic disruptions. The COVID-19 pandemic halted construction projects, delayed supply chains, and reduced workforce mobility. Even after restriction eased, recovery cycles kept employment below pre-2020 levels. And after that, there are other factors such as business restructuring. Companies reorganize roles, merge tasks, or outsource work to cut costs. This restructuring reduced the numbers of distinct job openings even if overall activities continue, which may lead to business restructuring and hiring strategy changes. And lastly, the policy changes in our government spending priorities such as refund infrastructure, budgets, or regularity adjustment directly impact hiring demands in construction, leading to fewer vacancies.
Still, AI exposure is real. Automation inside operation and project management means graduates must adapt with AI-related skills.
Employers want adaptable talent. Reskilling is essential.
So, what's our final judgment?
The construction sector shows shrinking opportunity and possible restructuring. Field jobs declined to 12%, jobs created collapsed to 76%, and vacancies dropped to 25%.
For us, the takeaway is clear. Future graduates must reskill and embrace AI-related competency to remain employable.
Policymakers should strengthen the reskilling program, while students must prepare for data-driven sector shift.
Construction is changing, but with the right skills, we could turn this challenge into an opportunity. And thank you for joining us in today's meeting about AI and construction.